I want to try Holloway House's orange oil for the very first time on this guitar. This will actually help with the finish, of course, make it really, really shine, but more importantly, take care of all that residue that usually it ends up on guitars all the time because of your fingers, right? But this is amazing on furniture, on wooden tables, on any type of finish, whether it is untreated or even treated. Obviously, you can see that this guitar has been treated, but there is definitely residue, especially if you took out the strings and the fretboard with all that grease, that sweat that those fingers can actually have on the guitars. So a little bit, that's what they say, a little bit goes a long, long way. So all you need to do is a few drops, just like that, and work the magic. And the really cool thing is that if you do have maybe gummy residue, and look at that, I'm actually treating the wood here. That is unfinished wood, and look at how it already shines. You can see that right there. So yeah, as I was saying, if you do have gummy residue, maybe stickers and things like that on it, this will actually help take it out. This is not a wax. It is not water based, and it smells wonderful too, and it will make your finish absolutely beautiful. And the really cool thing with this is that a table like this, for example, that is always in the sun, this has sun guard protection. So it will actually create that coat to protect it from the sun as well. It's fantastic.